holiday in paradise in beautiful Las Vegas. And what is going on with our real estate market? We have a new median price as of today. It's 440. Now, I'm not going to say it's not going to change because Monday. Today's a holiday actually in Las Vegas for the title company. So we may see a lot of closings on Monday, and those closings might bring us some, I guess I should put my headset on, might bring the price point up or down. We don't know. We've done about 74 sales a day this month so far, as of yesterday, 27 days. 74 daily sales. Last month we did 85. Now I think our number might go up to in the 80s anyway for October. And everybody knows the slower times of the year coming, November, December, because of the holidays and people doing other things. However, we have 114 days of inventory. So what does that mean? What can you do with that? Why is that so important? Well, it's important because with more inventory and with lower prices, there might be another market out there for you to get buyers. I talked with an agent the other day who says, I just need a little somebody else's insight. Like, should I go after sellers? Well, there's a lot of sellers, right? I mean, we've got 7,632 single family homes available. So do you want to get your sellers into that pool? Maybe, maybe not. So that's up to you. If that's where your niche is, go for it, because eventually they sell, right? Eventually they sell. That's a moving number, right? Because you have sales. Just remember that. It's a moving number. Those aren't properties that are just sitting there for months and months and months.